Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are learning another famous wooden structure, Metropole Parasol Pavilion, designed by RhinoArchSchool. Let's have a look at the pavilion. It's very nice, very great pavilion. And then let us have a look at the Rhino file. You can download all of the materials from our website, and there is another link that you can check more information about the pavilion. Let's go to the Rhino file, and I will delete this one first. Go to the top view. Okay, let's open the map. Go to the surface creation tool. Add a picture plane. Choose this one. Click OK, input 0, 0. Set your map and click it, select it. We choose lock object. Oh, and then I want to draw my roof plane. I just quick draw it. Not very accurate, but it's okay. Cool, I have finished my drawing, but I need to adjust my control point, make it looks better. Cool, let's do the next step. Maybe this part is bigger. Cool, let's do the next step. We need to draw the columns. This is the top part. Bigger circles. And then we need to draw some small circles for the bottom part of the column, or you can draw ellipse for it. This one and another one. Oh, I have drawn all of them. And then we unlock our map. Go to the perspective view. Delete the map and then select it. Select your circles and the outside layer line. Let us drag them up. And then select this line. We use planar surface, this command, planar surface to make a surface. Then I need to rebuild my surface to have more control points. Maybe 30 by 15. Maybe that's too much. I may change it to 10. This one's 25. Click it. Open our control points. Select the points. Select your control points. Oops. Okay. Adjust your control points. Then we can change our surface form. Because we have many columns, so we need to do many times repeating the same process. circle. We can add these circles. Delete this line and select the rest of the lines. Drag them up, then we can trim it better. We need to select the lines and then we use trim. Trim these holes and let's go back to the perspective view. Show your objects, get these circles. The next thing we need to do is we need to extrude these circles to surface. Because if we don't have surface, we cannot use blind surface. Because for this comment, we at least to have one surface, then we can get the edges. Press enter, go tangency, or you can choose curvature or position, depends on you. Okay. Repeat the same thing. Cool. And just repeat the same thing. Okay. Let us try curvature. It looks very similar, but this one is more smooth compared to this, the tangency one. Cool guys, until this step, let us review what we learned. First, we draw the lines, the circle lines and the curved lines. These two common. And then we used planar surface to get our top surface. And then we used extrude straight to get our bottom part surface. And then we can get our edge to use blind surface. The fourth one is extrude straight. And the last one is blind surface. Practice guys. And then we continue the next step.